Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and I wanted to do a math problem for you guys today. So, this is going to be a commission math problem. So, we're going to use the part over the base multiplied by the rate formula. And I have that right to the left of the question, and I'm going to go over and explain it to you as well. So, first and foremost, let's look at the question. At closing, a listing broker was paid $9,400 and the selling broker was paid $11,600. The commission paid by the seller was 6%. What was the sale price? So, whenever we see any kind of rate problem where there's a commission or anything like that, what we want to do is we want to do the part over the base times the rate. And how I remember that is this. I play hockey on a team, and we've been playing hockey together for 20 years. We are very, very, very bad. Okay, we're very bad. And what happens is this: after every game, we are also very poor. So we like to drink, and our favorite beer in the locker room is that of Pabst Blue Ribbon. So Pabst Blue Ribbon is how I remember part over the base times the rate. Look, you might have another way, but I like Pabst Blue Ribbon. Think of Stu's hockey team, and we're cheap, and we drink cheap beer. Pabst Blue Ribbon, part over the base multiplied by the rate. Now, let's identify. So people also have a problem understanding what each thing is and identifying it. So let's start with this. The base, that's the whole entire thing. So when we're looking at a pie, okay, that is the entire pie. The base is the entire pie. Now, I'm a fat kid, so I eat, that's how much I eat. This is my part of the pie, okay? So the part is Stu's slice right over here, okay? And now the rate is the rate at which we take it, okay? So we could all agree that that's 50% because we got eyeballs and Stu's a fat kid, so we all agree that that's 50%. So we've now identified every single piece of what a part over a base multiplied by a rate is. So now let's plug and play. Let's look at the question and plug and play. So we have a couple bits of information. At closing, the listing broker was paid $9,400 and the selling broker was paid $11,600. And the commission paid by the seller was 6%. Now, what happens is these two numbers represent what? What do they represent in this equation? Do they represent the rate at which we're taking a piece? No, because we know that the 6% is the rate at which we're taking a piece. Does it represent the whole pie? No, because that was like a part of it, right? It looks like it's a section of it. So what we know right now is the rate and the part. So we know that we're going to take the part and divide it by the rate. So now what we have to identify is this. Is the 9,400 the part? Is the 11,600 the part? Or is the total between them the part? The answer is that the total between those two numbers is the part. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Didn't mean to do that. I want to show you some of the math that I did here. You ready? Here's some of the math. 9,400 plus 11,600 gives you a 21,000 gross commission. That, in fact, is the part. And I told you, we already know the rate, so we have to divide the part by the rate, okay? And that is equated right here. So 21,000 divided by 6% would yield you an answer of $350,000. And that would be C. Guys, that's it. Hope that helped you out. Have a great one.